Hey everyone, this is Tony Teaches Tech. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the WordPress error message that says something along the lines of a plugin cannot be deleted because of an error. So let's go ahead and take a look at this right away here. And I want to first demonstrate what the error is. So let's try to delete this plugin here. And we just have to do that by hitting delete. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. And it says could not fully remove the plugin, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so how do we fix this? Well, there is probably a couple ways to fix it, but I'm going to show you one way to fix it, and that is specifically if this is like a new WordPress installation. Maybe it's not, but if it is, then this is likely going to be the solution for you. So you'll need access via SSH to your server to do what I'm going to do here. So I already have that open. I'm SSH'd into my server, and you can see here that these are all the WordPress files for this website. But basically what the issue is here in a nutshell is if we do an ls-la, we can see that the owner and the group for all of these files in here don't have something associated with it. So the owner is nobody and the group is no group, which is why this problem you're seeing that it could not fully remove the plugin. In essence, it's a permissions issue. Okay, so how do we fix that? Well, we can fix that with backing out of this directory, and basically we'll see that the WordPress directory itself also has those same permissions, those same groups, and those same users. So what we want to do is recursively add a user and a group to that folder and all the files under it. So we can do that with one command here. We can use the chown command and the -R flag for recursive, and then this next part is the user, so the owner, www-data, which is most likely going to work for you, but if you have another user in mind, then you can use that here. So www-data, and then for the group as well, we're going to do www-data, and like I said, that's just like a common web hosting user and group, and then we're going to apply that to the WordPress directory. So go ahead and execute that. That should be pretty quick, maybe a little bit longer if you have a bigger WordPress installation. So now if we do an ls-la here, we can see that www-data is the owner and the group as well. And then if we do the same thing inside the WordPress directory, we'll see that we don't have any more nobodies and no groups. So let's go back here to our WordPress website, refresh the page, and try to delete this plugin again. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. And bam, it's gone. We could do the same thing again for this other plugin, and it's gone. Guys, that's about it. If you have any questions about fixing this WordPress error message, trying to delete the plugins, anything along those lines, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me along the lines of WordPress, common error messages with WordPress, and how to optimize WordPress, then definitely subscribe to this channel. And if you do that, I'll see you in the next video.